everybody. Hi, welcome to Becki-licious. We are going to try a new exciting recipe that uses rotisserie chicken. And as you guys know, I always keep rotisserie chicken in my freezer every chance I get. So this seemed absolutely perfect. So this is a chicken Mexican pizza, okay? So like I said, we are starting with our rotisserie chicken, and then we are going to add in some taco seasoning, which I use so much taco seasoning I have to buy it in the big, huge jumbo thing because I'm constantly using it. So we're going to put a couple tablespoons of that in here. And then we're going to add some diced green chilies. So a little tiny bit of spice, but not too much. I'm going to get that all in there. We're going to do just a quarter cup of sour cream. Not a whole heck of a lot, okay? And I already went ahead and got the taco shells, or the shells already ready. I took flour tortillas, the slightly bigger ones, and I fried them up so they're a little bit on the hard side. So they're already ready to go. We have a cup of cheese in here. This is a mixture of pepper jack cheese and then just like the Mexican blend, the Colby Jack. So we're going to add all of that in there as well. And then I have a can of red enchilada sauce, and we're only going to use about half of this. The other half we're going to use when we're assembling the pizzas and right before they go into the oven. So let's take this and get this all mixed up. This is already looking, it smells amazing already. So, but while we're mixing this up, hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Always share with your friends, and most definitely click on that link tree for that other fun stuff, all right? All right, so this is all mixed up, and now it's time to assemble our pizzas. All right, let's assemble these chicken Mexican pizzas. So as you can see, I've already fried up the flour tortillas that I had, and you can make smaller ones if you want to do like mini ones. I wanted to do more of like an actual pizza, so it was more like this was a whole, you know, it was a little bit more substantial. So I'm just making two, okay? So we're going to start out, we're going to put our refried beans on here, and these are the spicy refried beans because we like spice, so can't go wrong with that. So we're going to do the refried beans go first. Then we're going to put a little bit of this chicken mixture on the top and kind of spread that all around. Oh, yummy. Yeah, this is going to be so good. I've already got my oven on. It's preheated to 400 degrees because these are going to go in the oven probably for about 10 minutes or so. And just to basically melt up the cheese and whatnot. Oh, gosh, doesn't look good. And then, once again, a combination. I'm going to add a little bit more cheese because I can never have too much cheese. And I will probably go a little bit heavier on the pepper jack because that happens to be my favorite, but I will put the blend in too, just to have a little bit of yum yum. And then we're going to add our second layer on here, okay? And then we are going to take our enchilada sauce, and we're going to pour a little bit of this over the top of the enchilada sauce and kind of spread it around a little bit. So we're getting that flavor for sure. Look amazing. And then we're going to top this with a bunch of cheese because this is just going to go straight into the oven so that all of that cheese and yumminess can melt up. So there we go. So let me get my second one made up, and then we're going to throw this in the oven, okay? Okay, we've got both of these chicken Mexican pizzas all made up, and they are ready to go in the oven. Like I said, 400 degrees. Says about 10 minutes, so we'll throw them in there for 10 minutes and see what they look like, okay? Okay, these chicken Mexican pizzas have been in the oven for 10 minutes. They smell amazing. Oh, yes. Oh, look at how tasty those look. Oh, my goodness. Oh, look at that. All right, we're going to get these plated up because it's almost time for dinner. All right, we're almost done with these. Our very last part for mine. I like a dollop of sour cream, but I'm a sour cream girl. I'm going to do a little bit of sour cream on that. A little bit of chopped tomato all along the top. And look at that. A yummy a yummy, yummy pizza dinner. So there you go. So thanks for joining me for another fun adventure. And it was definitely an adventure because, as you know, our power just now came back on just today. So 3 days without power, yay! So there you go. Always an adventure, always a great time with you guys. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye.
This is delicious.